If you're an e-commerce merchant and you're currently selling on platforms like Amazon or maybe Etsy, and you're trying to consider whether or not Shopify is the right platform for you, I thought this video could be useful to kind of see the pros and cons of using Shopify, a quick introduction to the platform, some of the things that you can do in the platform to see whether or not Shopify is the best choice for you. So let's get right into it. So one thing that I really like about Shopify and a lot of merchants like is that it's very easy to use the platform. So for a lot of the changes and customization that you can make, you don't need to code. They have a drag and drop customizer that you can add images, you can add new custom sections. There's a lot of pre-built sections that come with a lot of themes that you can add in. You can change out the images, you can change the layout of different pages, you can create new pages, you can customize your navigation layout. So there's a lot of things that you can do already on the platform that you don't necessarily need to bring in a web developer to make changes. You can make a lot of these changes on your end. Um, Now, there is a certain restriction on some of the things that you can do. A lot of the customizations and some more complex things, you will need to bring in a developer at that point. So that's just something to keep in mind as well. The next thing I like about Shopify is that it is pretty affordable. For an e-commerce merchant, it does start around $39, I believe, per month. But they have a lot of added benefits for merchants, which is very helpful as well. And of course, they do have some transaction fees that you need to keep in mind. But once again, it is very affordable, and there's a lot of support with the Shopify platform as well. And then the third point is that you can scale as you grow. So when you're new to the platform, you might not need all the different customizations. There's a lot of things that you may not need, features and extra add-ons. But as you grow, as the needs of your business increase, and you can start adding on those various features, then you can scale up to Shopify Plus, which comes with those features and those necessary add-ons that you might need as the business continues to grow. But of course, as you grow, then the cost is going to increase as well. So when you add on those new tools or those new third-party apps, um, it is going to cost more. So that's something to keep in mind as well. This is probably one of my favorite points here about the Shopify platform is that there is a lot of different apps, integrations, third-party tools that you can add in. So for instance, if we go here to the Shopify app store, and you can just see all the different tools and all the different apps that Shopify has, anything from review apps here, subscriptions here, a mobile app builder, a sales chatbot, um, abandoned carts with WhatsApp here, upselling, cross-selling, theme sections. So there's a lot of different add-ons and a lot of different tools that you can add to your store to just make it more customizable and to extend what you already have currently on your storefront. So it just makes it more engaging for customers. It allows you as a merchant to do a lot of different things on the store that you couldn't already do without having those apps to extend those features. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if you notice here, you'll see like free trial available, free plan available. So a lot of those tools are free, but they do have a paid option. So for instance, if we go to maybe like a loyalty app here, you'll see they have a free option, but then they do have some paid options as well as you increase and as you scale. So that's something to keep in mind as well. That when you do add these apps and as your business grows, you'll need to include those prices as well. And then the fifth thing I like about Shopify is it's very SEO friendly. There's a lot of different things that you can include to your store to help on that aspect to make sure that the website is SEO friendly, that you're ranking correctly on the different platforms. But of course, there is some restriction over what you can do in the platform. So that's something to keep in mind as well. So I wanted to make this quick video just to help you as a merchant kind of see the pros and cons of Shopify to see if Shopify is right for you. Now, if you're looking to get onto Shopify for the first time, if you're looking to maybe convert from another platform onto Shopify and you're looking for help, um, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Our website is down below. You can take a look at our work, see what we've done, see what other people have said. Working on a lot of cool projects. So definitely glad to have a conversation and see what we can do for you. So feel free to reach out. Just send an email if you have any questions. But once again, I hope this video was helpful to be able to see some of the pros and cons of Shopify and see if Shopify is the right platform for you.